These are the wheels that I'm going to be using. These are the alloy, the tires. So let's put it together. Oh, there's a lot of nice sticker. Now the way you put this together is that you need to remove this screw. There's two screws to remove. And then you have to separate it. And what you need to do is you place this one inside. You have to insert this one inside. There you are. It should be inside. Just like that. And this one will go on top. All you need to do is align those holes for the screw. Then press it. There we are. Got it. There you go. That's how you do it. So everything's done. Let's now install the tires. Final assembly, the body. There you go. Now let's hit the road. We've finished another great project. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to put the notification bell so you can be updated on all of my new videos. Thank you again, and God bless everybody.